Having the right kind of utensils in your kitchen will enable you to work easily and successfully.
Kitchen utensils are usually categorized depending on their size as well as their use. These are classified according to their functions. Just as the name suggests, these are equipment mainly used for measuring or weighing.
A measuring jug is used to measure liquids. Measuring cups and spoons are used for measuring small solids and liquids. Weighing scales and balances are used for weighing larger quantities of solids.
These are equipment used either for cutting, shredding, peeling, grating, or chopping foodstuffs.
A potato peeler is used for peeling vegetables, especially carrots and potatoes. An egg slice is used for slicing hard-boiled eggs. Biscuit cutters are used for cutting out pastries and biscuits.
There are different types of knives used for different purposes.
A palette is used for turning and spreading mixtures. A kitchen or chef knife is used for chopping and cutting. A bread knife is used for cutting bread or cakes. A butcher or meat knife is used for heavier jobs like cutting bony meat. A paring or vegetable knife is used for peeling potatoes, carrots, and fruits. A carving knife is used for cutting or carving cooked meat into thin slices.
This category of equipment is used mainly for shaping and molding, for example, pastries, doughs, and jellies.
A pastry board is used as a surface for rolling out and shaping pastries and doughs. A rolling pin is used for rolling out pastries and doughs. A jelly mold is used for setting jelly.
These are equipment mainly used for separating and for draining.
A flour sieve is used for removing impurities from the flour. It is also used to aerate the flour. A tea strainer is used for straining solids from liquids. A colander is used for washing raw vegetables and fruits. It is also used. A colander is used for washing raw vegetables and fruits. It is also used for draining cooked vegetables.
These are equipment used mainly for lifting, turning, scooping, and mixing.
A rotary whisk is used for beating eggs, cream, or sauces. A balloon whisk is used for beating eggs, cream, or sauces. A fork is used for turning, removing, and holding food firmly when carving or eating.
There are different types of spoons used for different purposes. A
wooden spoon is used for stirring, mixing, and beating. A slotted spoon is used for removing solid foods from liquids and hot oils. These spoons are used for measuring, stirring, and eating foods.
These are equipment used for baking, roasting, and for making casseroles.
A casserole dish is used for making stews and casseroles. A baking sheet is used for baking cookies and biscuits. A small cake tin or muffin or patty tin is used for baking small cakes, for example, queen cakes. A cake tin is used for baking cakes. A bread tin is used for baking bread. A roasting tin is used for roasting meats.
These are used for cooking. The choice of the equipment to use mainly depends on the method of cooking as well as the food to be cooked.
A clay pot is used for cooking various dishes. A saucepan is used for cooking. A sufuria is a metal pan without a handle, mainly made from aluminium. A frying pan is used for frying meat and eggs. A deep fryer is used for frying foods such as potato chips. A pressure cooker is a cooking vessel designed to cook food at pressures and temperatures above normal.
These include other small kitchen equipment that do not fall under any of the other categories.
Bowls and basins are used for mixing and serving. A funnel is used for pouring liquids into containers with narrow openings. A draining rack is used to drain out water after washing dishes. A flour dredger is used for sprinkling flour onto dough or pastry before and during rolling out. Cutters are used for shaping pastries, biscuits, and cookies. A skewer is used to taste a cake for readiness during cooking. A gourd is used for storage of foods such as milk and porridge. When split into half lengthwise, it becomes a calabash, which is used for serving foods and drinks. A potato masher is used for mashing foods. A tin opener is used for opening food tins. A lemon squeezer is used for squeezing juice from citrus fruits.
This category mainly consists of the different types of cookers. A cooker supplies heat for cooking food. Cookers are classified according to the type of fuel used. However, refrigerators also fall in this category. Click on each of the equipment for more information on it.
Wood fuel is used for cooking, roasting, and warming. A charcoal cooker or jiko can use charcoal, coffee husks, sawdust, and maize cobs as fuel. A kerosene stove can either be a wick or pressure stove. A gas cooker uses gas as the fuel. An electric cooker uses electricity as the fuel. A microwave uses electricity by high-frequency energy waves, which cooks food in a fraction of the time required for conventional cookers. A refrigerator is used for storing perishable foods.
These mainly consist of the equipment that make work easier by saving on labor and time.
A food mixer is used for making batters in cake mixtures, for example, creaming and whisking. A mincer is used for mincing meat. An electric knife is used to slice meat into thin slices. A rice maker is used for cooking rice. A sandwich maker is used to toast and seal sandwiches. A dishwasher is used to clean dishes easily and quickly. A waffle maker is used for making waffles and pancakes. A food processor is used for grating, shredding, creaming, and mixing batters and dough. A liquidizer is used for blending juices and purees. An electric kettle is used for boiling water. A grinder is used for grinding, crushing nuts, spices, and sugar.